Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I'd like to say thank you for Unima as a host who accepted our paper and give the opportunity to explain by this presentation in this annual event called Borobudur International Symposium 2023. My name is Lustio Adipradana with the team included Ms. Mixindo Kora and Mr. Irfan Marwanja. We are from Trisakti University, Mining Engineering Department, Faculty of Technology and Energy. I'd like to presentation our paper. The title is Fishbone Analysis of Coal Getting Activities to Achieve Productivity Target. First, we have a content here. The content included introduction, purposes, research methodology, result and discussion, and conclusion. In the introduction, we can know that site are located in East Kalimantan is a new site owned by PTX and has daily production target of 12,000 tons of coal. The research was carried out in coal getting activities at Site A to find actual performance data regarding the entire coal getting activity and what delay categories existed in the series of coal getting activities. We can explain what coal getting is. Coal getting is a series activity to get the coal to get the coal. Coal getting included coal cleaning, coal loading, and coal hauling, and then coal dumping. Coal cleaning have activity including casting, moving, and cleaning for coal cleaning equipment. And coal loading included empty swing, landing, digging, full swing, and dumping. And that called a cycle of coal loading. And then coal hauling have a cycle start from empty travel, spotting for coal loading, loading, loaded travel, spotting for coal dumping, and last is dumping. Next is coal dumping. Coal dumping have a cycle starting from spotting dumping and then dumping, and the last is returning vessel to the places. Purposes. This research aims to find the delay categories that become the root cause of obstacle in coal getting activities using fishbone analysis conducted on each coal getting activity. The result will be a determination for coal getting activities improvement to achieve daily productivity target. We use research methodology called quantitative method, and this method is included as cycle time. Cycle time is the required for equipment to do one work cycle. The equipment is excavator, and each activities have their own cycle time. And then we must do calculation equipment productivity. And the last for the analysis, we use fishbone analysis. Fishbone analysis have some categories such as man, machine, method, material, measurement, and environment. And this can research for the root cause and each activities. For our research procedure, first of all, we must do field observation and data collection, and then data processing, and all of this by theoretical basis. For the formula for productivity loader equipment, the formula is Q 3,600 per city. The city is cycle time. KB is bucket capacity. SF is well factor. BFF is bucket fill factor, and EFF is effectiveness. For hauler productivity is nearly similar, but the difference is in value of N. N is the number of passing for coal loading equipment. Now is result and discussion about coal cleaning. Coal cleaning activity was carried out by using Komatsu PC210 with the bucket replaces with the cutting edge, type dimension 1.2 meter wide and 1.2 meter length and 90 centimeter height. For the coal cleaning equipment performance, we have three categories. For the white bar, coal per square meter, And the yellow bar hold time in minutes, and the green bar is productivity. For this cold cleaning performance, we have we have 4 equipment, and the difference is in their performance. For the best performance, we have equipment number 3 with AX084 with productivity is 17.1. And this is for fishbone analysis in cold cleaning activity. We have manpower category, machine, method, and material for the problem in their activity. We can categorize, and then we find out that in the method, cold cleaning down too deeply and irregular cold cleaning work cycle. In the category of material, there are impurities in the cleaning product. In the machine, the excavator use has too much movement or moving, and the category of manpower, ineffective operation of the equipment was found. And now we are moving to the activities of co-loading. Co-loading activities at site A are carried out with excavator Komatsu PC 300 with a bucket capacity of 2.3 meter, and this bar for the value of white bar is average loading time in a second, and the yellow bar is average cycle time, and the green bar is performance value for a ton per hour of these activities. And the best performance has been for X096 PC300 with 231 ton per hour productivity rate. And for analysis using fishbone, we have conclusion and the same category about manpower, machine, material, and method. That conclusion is for method, the total co-loading time taken is relatively too long and co-loading down to many passes. For the category of material, there are chunk and bone core, and obviously impurity material content. And for category machine, we have one root cause. The cause is the loading equipment used was digging too long. And for category manpower, we have 2 root cause. We have operator accuracy in sorting material and an effectiveness of loading time. Next is for coal hauling activity. Coal hauling activity in this research in the pit A using coal hauler called Hino 500. And for the equipment performance, we have 2 bars here. For white bars called average cycle time in minutes, and the yellow bar called distance in kilometer. The relation of this bar is when the cycle time is fewer, it make a better productivity rate, and the productivity rate we have average cycle time minutes with very low. We have for Hino 828 with 27 minutes point 46 second, and the distance for the longest distance is the same Hino with 5.62 kilometers. And the operation starting from pit and the hauling road and end to coal processing process places. And for the fishbone analysis in the coal hauling activity, we have 4 categories in manpower, method, material, and machine. We must to search for a root cause with this roadmap of fishbone. And we have 4 categories included in method. We have 2 root cause. One is operator accuracy in sorting material, and 2 is effectiveness of loading time, making a longer time for hauling. And for category material, we have 2 root cause. QE at the CPP dumping point. CPP is called processing plant. We have the QE in there, and then loading repeat quite often when at the front in the pit mining. And for machine category, Hino is slow on high grade roads, and 2 is effectiveness using using equipment. And for category manpower, we have two root cause. One is late starting at worship, and then two wasted working time. Last result and discussion about coal dumping. Coal dumping is dumping coal in the stockpile. It is the last activities of series of coal getting. In this activity, we have two table of performance. First one is how long in the one shift we have how much dumping, and the result is we have 276 dumping in the one shift working. And then for the average dumping time with these activities, we have a longest dumping time in 70.46 seconds. And this is fishbone analysis for this series activity. And we have the same four category include method, material, and machine, and manpower. We have two root cause each other. First is dumping hyperqui in the method and no dumping in the first hour for the root cause of method. And material is the presence of muddy material from side. And the second is there is a pile of dust on the stopper and make a longer time. And then number three is machine. First product move slowly and cluster operation stop. For category manpower, let's starting at worship and wasted work time. Okay, the conclusion is based on performance result, the coal cleaning using excavator Komatsu PC210 with cutting edge bucket are sufficient. This is on the fishbone analysis and the performance analysis. And then conclusion number two, coal loading activities using excavator Komatsu PC300 are based on the calculation and fishbone analysis that show that the effectiveness of the loading time greatly influenced the performance of the loading digging equipment. And the third conclusion we have a coal hauling activities are based on fishbone analysis and the cycle time equation, and the distance or condition of the road influence the value determined by the average cycle time. That's it for the presentation from us. Thank you for the attention and opportunities that given to us for this presentation. I hope this presentation can give the new perspective to searching for problem solving method in the mining industry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.